Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to 365 WebX, and today I'll be showing you how to. I'll be showing you how to fix an iPhone or any iPhone that is stuck on Apple logo. Okay, on the screen. This is iPhone 7X, and this phone was given to me by a buddy of mine to help him fix. And so what you have here actually is um I don't know what caused it, okay, but most of the time maybe you've updated the firmware and it's causing this problem, or at times maybe you reset the phone and it's also can cause this problem. And so what you do is you can see this has the power button down here, and if you come down here it has um, the volume, the home button. And so the best way to do this is to actually get this phone um, into uh, into uh, into a recovery mode, which I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, so the best way is to get this phone into recovery mode, where we'll now have to connect it to iTunes and get this fixed. Okay, so let's jump straight into the video as I show you how to fix this problem. So what we want to do is I have my iTunes down here. Okay, let me put it down here. So I have my iTunes open here. So we're going to get this phone into recovery mode, which is done by pressing this button. Okay, for some reason, when you try uh, using the power button, which is the normal way of doing things on the iPhone 7S 7, it does not work. So I tried pressing the power button, the volume down, and then the home button all at the same time. And then this is going to, yeah, go off, and then you have it off here. Then release other. Oh no, um, I messed up. We're going to do that again. The power button. Sorry, press the power button, the volume down, then the home button all together. Now, when you see the screen goes black, release this one, and then keep holding this one and release. Yeah, when you hear that sound, you release it. Okay. So on the screen right here, you can see it's saying that iPhone has detected, um, sorry, iTunes has detected iPhone in recovery mode. You must restore the iPhone before it can be used. Let's click yes, okay. So let's click this. So, so restore and update. Click next, agree. So the iPhone is downloading the software for the iPhone and will sorry, will restore the iPhone. So let's wait for it to do that. You can see it's downloading. So let's wait for it to download, and we'll come back after that has been done. Okay, so that we don't make this video too long. Okay, guys. So after um running the restoration, the restoration and updates, the phone is back up, and let me show you what it's looking like. Yes. So after running the uh, the restoration, okay, this is what I've got. So the phone is back up. So all I've need to just do now is to go give him to set it up and start using it. So that is how you actually um, get your phone back up from uh, if it is stuck on the Apple logo. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being patient with me on this. Um, Please do subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.